Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to crochet this elf hat. This hat consists of two main parts, the main body and the pom-pom on top. When crocheting, we start from the top of the hat and increase stitches as we go. Let's begin. Hold the yarn in your left hand, make a loop around your middle finger, then insert the hook into the loop, pull through to make a chain stitch as the beginning chain. After completing the beginning chain, insert into the starting loop and work 6 single crochets. Once the 6 single crochets are done, tighten the ring. Join with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. Make sure to pull tight when joining. Next, crochet the second round, make a chain stitch as the beginning chain, then insert the hook into the first stitch and work single crochets. Insert into the next stitch and work a single crochet, then continue working single crochets evenly into each stitch. After completing the last single crochet, we turn the fabric right side out, wrong side facing in. Join with a slip stitch in the first stitch. Pull tight when joining, completing the second round. Rounds 3 through 18 follow the same method as round 2, work 6 single crochets evenly without increasing or decreasing. Complete these rounds on your own. After finishing 18 rounds, we'll begin round 19. Make 2 chain stitches as the beginning chain. Note, these 2 chains don't count as a double crochet. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch, and work a double crochet. Insert into the second stitch and work a double crochet increase, 2 double crochets, in 1 stitch, then continue repeating 1 double crochet, followed by 1 double crochet increase. Repeat this pattern 3 times total. After completing the third group, join directly with a slip stitch in the double crochet stitch. Once joined, round 19 is complete. Now begin round 20. Make 2 chain stitches as the beginning chain. Note, these 2 chains don't count as a double crochet. This applies to all turning chains in subsequent rounds. Yarn over, insert into the first stitch, and work a double crochet. Insert into the second stitch and work a double crochet increase. Insert into the third stitch and work a double crochet, completing the first group pattern. Continue repeating this 3-stitch group pattern for the rest of the round. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet. Continue repeating this pattern for a total of 3 groups. After completing the third group, join directly with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. Once joined, round 20 is complete. Now begin round 21. Make 2 chain stitches as the beginning chain, insert into the first stitch and work a double crochet, then insert into the second stitch, and work a double crochet increase. Continue repeating this pattern of 1 double crochet, followed by 1 double crochet increase. After completing the last group, join with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. Tighten the slip stitch. Once joined, round 21 is complete. Now begin round 22, make 2 chain stitches as the beginning chain, yarn over, insert into the first stitch, and work a double crochet. Next, insert into the second stitch, and work a double crochet increase. Work 1 double crochet in the third stitch. This completes the first group pattern. Continue repeating the pattern of 3 stitches per group. Complete this round by repeating the pattern. After completing the last group, join with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. Once joined, round 22 is complete. Now begin round 23. Make 2 chain stitches as the beginning chain, yarn over, insert into the first stitch, and work 3 double crochets in corresponding stitches. After completing the 3 double crochets, work a double crochet increase in the next stitch. This completes the first group pattern. Continue repeating the pattern of 3 double crochets and 1 double crochet increase, 4 stitches per group. After completing the last group, join with a slip stitch. Once joined in the first double crochet stitch, round 23 is complete. Follow the pattern of increasing 6 stitches per round as in rounds 21, 22, and 23. Refer to the chart and continue increasing. Repeat this 6-stitch increase pattern until round 27 is complete. Now begin round 28, make 2 chain stitches as the beginning chain, yarn over, insert into the first stitch, and work in corresponding stitches. Work even double crochets for 2 rounds, repeat until round 29. After completing round 29, proceed to round 30. Make 2 chain stitches as the beginning chain, insert hook into the first stitch and work 3 double crochets. 1 double crochet increase. Then insert hook into the next stitch and work 3 double crochets. This completes the first group pattern. Continue repeating this 7-stitch group pattern to finish the round, increasing 8 stitches total. After completing the last group, join with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. Round 30 is now complete. Now begin round 31, make 2 chain stitches as the beginning chain, insert hook into the first stitch, and work even double crochets around. After completing the last double crochet, join with a slip stitch in the first double crochet stitch. Join with a slip stitch completes round 31. Continue repeating the pattern of increasing 8 stitches in round 30 and working even in round 31, 2 rounds as a group, according to the chart until reaching desired hat circumference. This pattern of increasing 8 stitches 1 round, and working even the next round repeats consistently until round 37. This is the position of the second to last round, with round 38 worked even with double crochets. After completing crocheting, measure the hat circumference by folding the hat in half like this. Start measuring along the edge of the last round. Here it measures 27 centimeters total, so 27 centimeter times 2 equals the full hat circumference. If you want a smaller hat, measure as you crochet during the increasing rounds according to your head size. After completing round 38, make 1 chain stitch, then cut the yarn. Leave a short tail for sewing. Weave in the yarn tail and trim the excess. With the yarn tail secured, the main part of the hat is complete. Next, we'll make the pom-pom for the top of the hat. If you have a pom-pom maker at home, you can directly use a 9 cm one for this. If not, take the yarn belt, Fold it in half like this, then fold it again, and prepare a 30 cm thread in advance. Next, start wrapping the yarn around the belt. Here we've wrapped about 70 rounds. Then cut the yarn and remove the belt like this. Hold the yarn tightly. Use the thread we reserved earlier. Tie it in the middle position. Next, cut the yarn here. Trim it. After trimming the pom-pom, you can rub it like this to make the pom-pom more firmly stuffed. Next, attach the pom-pom to the top of the hat. Once the pom-pom is secured, our elf hat is completed crocheting. This video ends up to this point. Thank you for watching. See you later.